feel that my document could really benefit from a cool image. For that, head up to the Insert drop-down button, click Image, and I'll upload it from my computer. Docs makes it easy to adjust the size and scale of an image. Simply grab the blue dot handle and drag upwards. And then you can also select your image and move it freely about the page. Shake your moneymaker. If you'd like to insert a table that's located under Insert Table, you can select rows and columns to instantly format your table. Add a chart, or even to create your own original drawing. Isn't that cool? Taking a look at the edit bar, undo and redo, which is also located right here on the format toolbar. Paste without formatting, and select your entire document. Another handy tool, find and replace, which gives users the option to find one word and replace it with another, or even replace all. There, now my case is made. Jumping over to the File menu, the ability to make a new file is located here. Make a copy, download in multiple file formats, email it as an attachment, make it available offline to go onto your computer directly, and also to take a look at your version history, in case you'd like to revert and jump back to a previously existing version. Gee, there's nothing left. But no need to panic. I'd simply go back to my version history and revert back to the last version and hit Restore. Jumping back up to the File drop-down button, format your page setup, including different paper sizes, your margins, and even the page color. I think that makes a good case. On the File drop-down, if you need to print, you can drop down to Print. Here on this print screen, I can update my printer or save it as a PDF. You can also update your margins here should you need to adjust for your printer. But I think I'm just going to close out of this and jump back over to look at some other options. On our File drop-down, I have Publish to the Web. And if I decide I don't like this document, I can move it to the trash with one click. Another way to export your file as a PDF, go to the File drop-down, the Download button, and PDF. Karen is a late adopter and prefers Microsoft Word products. Let's download a Word document for her. Karen was also kind enough to shoot me a handy guide for working with Google Sheets as a Word document after our conference call, so let's import that so I can use it. Using the File drop-down, click the Open button, and let's locate the file on my desktop. There it is. Notice how it is automatically converted to a Google Doc. This is a great feature in Google Docs. And look, it's got a grammar suggestion already for Karen. Let's use the comment feature to let Karen know about her spelling mistake. Simply click the plus sign and open a comment box. Karen, your spelling was wrong. And go ahead and click comment. And this will appear in the document when she opens it on her side. Now, in order to share the file with Karen, we have two options. Pop back up here to the File dropdown to share, or head over to the right-hand side of the user interface and click this Share button. I can get the shareable link, or I can go ahead and send Karen an email. And we can include a note here with some instructions, or simply a thank you. Google Docs also allows you to control the permissions on what you'd like to share. And users have the ability to edit, comment, or view only. Now, Karen's kind of nuts, so I'm going to set her permissions as can view only and send. Now, if you find you're in a pinch and you need a bit more help while you're using Docs the first time, pop up to the Help drop-down and type in your question.